Right, this is a different equation, a little bit more complicated, but still the same method. I'm going to show you how to do that. To start with, we set up the equation on this balance. So 4x, I'm going to drag 1, 2, 3, 4, 4x, and then plus 2. So on the left hand side, 4x plus 2. On the right hand side, I have 1x, 2x, and then plus 10. I hope we can automatically do it. Yes, that's good. Oh. Right, so now I have 4x plus 2 on the left hand side, and then I have 2x plus 10 on the right hand side. So we can click continue to solve the equation. Now I want to make sure I have x on one side first. I have 4x on the left hand side, 2x on the right hand side. Probably I can just get rid of the 2x because on the right hand side I only have 2x and the left hand side 4x. Normally I try to get rid of the x that has less x on the right hand side, so that's why I get rid of the 2x. So I take away an x. This software don't allow me to take away 2x, so I have to do it one by one. Hang on. Take away one more x. Right, so I don't have any more x on the right hand side. Now I would like to get rid of the 1 because I want to keep the x on one side and the number on the other side. So on the left hand side I have x and number, the right hand side only have number, so I want to keep the left hand side only have x and get rid of all the numbers, so I can take away this 2, so take away 2 from both sides. Okay, now I have x on one side, which is a 2x, and the right hand side only have number. So next step, I want to know x equal to what, right? So 2x, if I divide both sides by 2, I will get x. So 2x divided by 2, so I need to click divide by 2. Go. Okay, so I end up with x equals to 4, which is the answer. X, the value of x is 4. Okay, we're going to try one more problem. And this time I have 4x plus 1 on the left hand side and x plus 4 on the right hand side. Again, I set up the equation first. So it's 4x plus 1 on the left hand side, and then I have x plus 4 on the right hand side. Why they're not balanced? One more. One. Yep. Okay. So the equation is set up on the balance. Click continue to solve it. Right. Look at the x first. I have x on both sides. The right hand side have less x. Only have one x. So I would get rid of this x first. So take away x. Right. So now the right hand side don't have any more x. On the left hand side I have x and a number which is at 1. So I'm going to get rid of this 1. So I only have x on one side and number on the other side. Right, so take away 1 from both sides. So go for it. Right, so now I have 3x, 3 of the x, and equal to 3 on the right hand side. So to work out the value of x, 3x, I want to get rid of the 3, I divide both sides by 3 to work out the value of x. So divide by 3 from both sides. I can work out the final value. On the left hand side, I only have an x. On the right hand side is a 1, so x is equal to 1. So this is the correct answer here. So you can try more yourself, say following the same method. It works every time.